Hi, Farmer Dean here, and guess what? We're going to talk about fake foods again. So, look at all the different taco mixes that you can get. And again, I'm going to tell you the same thing. Read the labels. You need to read the labels of all this stuff to find out what's in it. I get really upset when I see something so bad that I just can't stand it. I looked at this. Now it says taco mix, right? You go in there, and if you don't read the label, let me tell you what's in this. Yellow corn flour. Yellow corn flour and taco mix. Salt. It's got some modified cornstarch again, sugar, yeast extract, natural flavoring, which of course inflames your body along with all the sugar. Oh, there's sugar in it too. So that's, and then they put in silicone dioxide so it doesn't clump. And there's what it looks like. If you're gonna buy it, read the label. Here's a much better one, an unknown brand, but guess what they have? Everything's organic in it. And it's got organic paprika and chili pepper and cumin and tomato powder, and it does have cornstarch in it and organic black pepper. So, but at least it doesn't have natural flavoring in it. It's much better for you. But I'll tell you what you should do. You should go home and make your own, which I'm gonna show you in this video. So we're gonna make our own taco mix. We're not gonna buy any of that crap anymore, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have chili powder. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of that. We're gonna use 4 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion, 1 teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. So that's gonna be our mixture. And I'm gonna put this all in a nice little jar, and then I'll shake it up hard, and that'll be the finished product. So stay with me, I'm gonna do all this really quickly. So I got all the ingredients in here, and I'm just gonna pour them in. As you can see, I didn't do a very good job of pouring, but and it's pretty simple to mix this up. By the way, it took me about a minute and a half to put everything together. A couple shakes, and guess what I got? The best damn taco mix you'll ever eat. And I guarantee you, it's better than any of that junk that you can buy in the store. And it's probably a lot cheaper. I hadn't figured out exactly what it costs. OMGs, I hope you like this. Do me a favor, become my best friend. Like and subscribe.